Our little babies. Here's our Christmas babies. Got little white-chested paws, white paws. We call that a tuxedo. He's a little girl. I think this is a little boy. Yeah. No, that's a smaller little girl. He's a little boy. No, that's him. It's a little boy. Our little eyes are starting to open. Yeah. And then we got this cute little boy. These are going to be Christmas babies. Yeah. Say hi. My eyes are opening too. Yeah. Hi, sweet boy. Oh, his big yawns. I think this is the little girl. She's got some white. I can get her to roll over. You guys are so silly. Oh, they're so cute. These little boo-boos. You guys just sleeping away. Sleepy, sleepy. Look at that little toe.